Okay. Here we are. We're back. 1 second. Let me find this. So, for some reason, my webcam literally decided to leave as soon as I started streaming. Give me 1 second. Let me turn down the volume here. Okay. Chris, what's up? Yeah, anytime. Love doing it. Finally back. I've had a bit of a break. Trying to get my webcam to not die. Which scene does it want to work for? Why does it keep on disappearing? What? It does not like to work. Trying to see. There's a single scene where it's working. Uh, I guess not. I'm gonna try to figure that out in a second. But for now, we have. Let me change the text. Especially this. We have one tornado warning, which will probably expire pretty soon. Golly, my computer wants to be slow. There we go. Then we have for severe thunderstorm warning. We have 4. Okay. Everything should be updated now. So I'm going to try to get my webcam to work soon. Let me unsmooth this. Keeping our eyes on the storm near Weston and Walker, because that could definitely do something soon. All these storms have the potential. We have a 10 hatch today, which it kind of uptrended as it went on. I wasn't expecting this earlier on in the forecasting process, and this could be our next tornado warning near Alden Bridge, headed towards Sarepta and Cotton Valley. Could definitely be our next tornado warning. You see that already little area of convergence right there. So that's what we're looking at right now. One second. Try to get this to work. Man, the webcam does not want to work. So we're going to wait for this scan to come in here. Also looking at all these big, or prefrontals that are way ahead of the big line. That's definitely one of our main concerns. Says it's not connected. Dominic, what's up? Gotta teach class, but I'll be back when you're done. I leave the stream running to boost your watch hours. Thank you, Dominic. Thank you. Very much appreciated. Very much appreciated. Right now, I'm trying to get the overlay to work. I always have trouble with my webcam. Oh my gosh. It's supposed to be good. So the GoPro's supposed to be good, but I've had trouble getting it to work. It quite literally was working. If you go to the beginning of the stream, you can actually see it was working. That turned off about 30 seconds after I started the stream. I also don't lag and die. Scene 5. I have Chaser Cam up. This is Freddy's. Hopefully it'll work soon. I also have a video captured about it. Okay, yeah. For some reason, it just doesn't want to work. Lucy, what's up? How's it going? Try to go through all the overlays, make sure it's working. Yeah. Right now, okay, yeah, the stream is working. Freddy's stream is working. So we got Freddy on the ground with the winter weather up north, but we'll probably mainly be covering the severe weather. Though if you're anywhere that's getting all that snow and ice up in like Missouri, Kansas, Illinois, Indiana, areas like that, you definitely don't want to be on the roads. It's cold and icy, yeah. And it does not want to give me the latest radar scan. These storms are moving fast, too. They're moving really fast. What is it with the webcam that does not want to work? Trying to get it to work. Give me a moment. Okay, this next scan, it honestly doesn't look as impressive, but still something to watch, because there's still a bit of convergence, and that hook is looking pretty conducive for possibly wrapping up and producing a tornado pretty soon. What's up, Sean? How's it going? Yeah, watching all these prefrontals down here too. Gonna try to check on this radar. Hopefully. Oh wait, I've been on the wrong overlay. Because I've been trying to fix the GoPro webcam. It does not want to work. I love how I just changed it to GoPro and then it decided no. It wants to do EOS webcam utility. And it does not want me to change that. GoPro. Work. It does not want to work. We should be fine without a webcam now. Let me go back to scene 5. So right now, we got these storms, these prefrontals that are actually looking pretty potent. Like that's convergence right there with a good notch on those storms. They all kind of have a bean shape to them, which is concerning. All of them. This one has like more of a hailer shape, but this one definitely has a hook to it. This one already is tornado warned, so definitely just need to be keeping our eyes on all of these. I'm actually gonna go up north and take a look at my area, because we're supposed to get some winter precipitation and maybe some thunderstorms. That's actually a decently electric storm indicator in Perry counties, stretching down to Hardin and Wayne. You're in a winter storm warning? Dang. I honestly might be put into one of those in the future. Shoot. I have to get my cameras ready. Golly. Shoot. Guys, we might have a chase on our hands. Because that is actually looking quite impressive. I'm actually going to pull up Radar Omega on my phone and check webcams here. Davis does weather in Illinois. He has freezing rain and sleet and stuff. Looks like that might even have a bit of a shelf cloud to it there. A December shelf would be rare and fun. Man, my webcam does not want to work. I'm turning it off, turning it back on for like the third time. So yeah, if anyone has any questions for like their locations or anything, put them in chat. I was gonna show you the Twisters Rebel I got if my webcam would work. Because I got Twisters Rebel, actual Rebel from the real set, which is really cool. I got it for free from the Stormfront Freaks. Last scan, it weakened a little bit, but I have faith. There's still a 55 DBZ.